Hey guys, it's Sparky here and welcome back to my channel, and this is the second part to my firework stash for Bonfire Night 2020. So yeah, let's get straight into this one. So I've brought a few products out already, and I've got a big box there for all these ones you were seeing in today's video are all from Galactic Fireworks back in September on the sale weekend. As you can see there, Galactic Fireworks. So yeah, all these ones are from there. So the first one is this Babadoo. It's from Celtic Fireworks, I think it is, or Celtic. I'll say Celtic anyway. So Babadoo from there, and there's 128 shots in this one of yellow tail to gold chrysanthemums. 128 shots there, and there's 339.6 grams of NEC. So I'm really looking forward to this one. Never had this one before. And next we have 2 packs of these golden aces. I mean smoking aces. These are 8-shot Roman candles. There, you get 4 in a pack, and all the effects are there. I don't know if you can read that. And there's, what's that? 284.8 grams of NAC in these ones. So yeah, I've got 2 packs of them as well. Them are the second year we've had them. They're pretty decent. So yeah, that's why we've got them. Next, we've got this 19-shot Night Invader from Bright Star. There's the effects, and there's 218.5 grams in there. The size seems pretty decent. It looks pretty decent on the video, so yeah. And we've got a similar one but a different aim, which is this one, Hellfire. And there's 218.5 grams in this one, and which was in that one. Oh, so it's the same in each of them. So them two, Hellfire and Night Invader from Bright Star. Next we've got this huge fountain called Shazam. We've never had huge fountains this size before, so we've got them this year to like sort of change the display up sort of thing. So we've decided to get some big fountains this year. Kind of looking forward to them, because like Blog says, we never had them, so should be good. Red, green and crackling stars, and there's 420 grams of NAC in that. There's some good weight to that as well, so looking forward to that one. I've seen the videos when it looks pretty good, so yeah. Next one, we have these 2 fountains called Wonderful Waterfalls. There's Niagara Falls and Victoria Falls, and there's 108 grams of powder in this, and there's all the effects. Yeah. So them to mix the display up a bit. Well, we've got 2 of these as well, which are the vampire fountains, which the eyes here and the mouth flashes red halfway through the fountain. So first the fountain comes out here in the top, then I think these flash, and then two fountains shoot out from this side and that side, so them are pretty good. We're going to set one of these up on Halloween and another one on Bonfire Night, so that's why we've got 2 of them. 120 grams in there, and as you can see, there's the fan sort of effect. So we've got one there and another one there, so 2 of them. Next we have these. We was gonna buy Boogaloo similar to the Babadoo, but they run out of them, so Nigel from Galactic Fireworks gave us these bomb candles instead, and kindly attached these quick matches and visco to them, so we have 2 of them. So yeah, that should be pretty good. These from Celtic as well. There you can see Cat F4. So then should be really good. Next we have got 2 packs of these, which are the neon sparklers. We've already tried a couple of these and they are pretty good. You can see the colours on them, so yeah, 2 packs of them. Next, I'm sure most of you know these, which are the Dum Bum single shot candles. I know you can get the barrages and the tubes as well, but these are the single shot ones. There's the effects: silver mine to red tail to titanium salute. So yeah, I don't think there's grams in here, I don't know. I can't see, but we need to move on anyway, so yeah, we know them are good, them will be good, so first time having them. Next we have these, which are the gunpowder barrels. There's some quite decent weight in this, so, and I've seen the videos, so they must be good, and they do look quite good, so yeah. The only Cat 2, sorry, so, and there's 175.2 grams in them, so we got them. Next we've come to this combination of fountain and mine, which is Hocus Pocus from Brothers, and there's 130 grams NAC in there. And there's the effects, if you can see. So we've got that one. I think, is that the last of it? Yeah, that's the last of the fountains and stuff now. So next one we have this, which is a stinger, which is 25 shots, and it goes up in colours to crossets. There, red, green, yellow and blue crossets. So looking forward to this one as well, as we never had anything like that before. Well, I think these 2 are the biggest out of this part of the stash. So yeah, we've got the Iron Storm, which is 200 shot, and it's quite weighty, so there's quite a bit of powder in it there, 274.6 grams. Blue, yellow, whistling stars, crackling comets, blue tails to go the willow and brocade crown. So I kind of look forward to these ones as well, because we got this one, which is the Cracker Ball Iron Storm, which is 200 shot as well. And there's more in this one, which is 320.8 grams. And this one, silver, golden, green and crackling stars, coloured, peony burst and crackling burst. So yeah, really looking forward to them as well. Last few bits now, we've got these, which are the smoke grenades. This is a green one. We're going to set these off just before it goes dark on Bonfire Night. So yeah, that should be some good for the daytime before it goes dark. Yeah, so we've got those. We've got a green one, and we've got this red one as well. So we've got both of them. These just for the last few bits now, just for like the firing equipment, basically, to light the fireworks. We got these, which are the port fires from Celtic as well. You can see there, 2 packs of them. And I've got this light head torch, which will be good to see things during the night on the display. So yeah, we've got that. And lastly, we bought this 2 meter fuse. It's called which I can connect some of the pyro up. So yeah, that's everything that's in the box from Galactic Saturday. So that this is the second part of my Firework stash for 2020. So I hope you enjoy, guys, and thanks for watching, and stay safe.